Alright guys, so I have a new idea for today's video. Today we're going to be putting together and customizing this Gundam by Bandai. Disclaimer before we start this video, just wanted to let you know that I'm not an expert at customizing figures or painting them, but it's something that I'm working on. So today's going to be my second video trying to customize a figure. I did my first one maybe a couple of months ago, so if you're interested in watching that, I'm gonna leave a link in the description. It was a fun experience. So today we'll try this, and I think this is an excellent figure. I love this figures by Gundam. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go downstairs. We're gonna take all the little pieces out, cut them, paint them a little bit if they need it, and then we're gonna come back here and we're gonna put it together. All right, so other than that, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started. So first thing I want to do is I want to separate each of the color groups, like the black, the white, the yellow, the red, the blue, separate, okay? I don't want to cut the little pieces out yet. We're going to leave that till the end, alright? So let's start with the white one. And first thing I want to do is I want to spray paint using this Testor white matte paint. And the reason why I want to do this is because I want to get rid of that white glossy plastic. But second, it's a little bit hard for other paints to attach to it. So let's go ahead and start with that and see what that looks like. Alright guys, so now what I want to do is I want to apply a flat gray primer, a little bit on top of the white. I don't want to cover the whole white because I want my figure to be white, but this is just to make it a little bit dirty, just to show that my Gundam has been in battle, has been in the air flying, so it has debris, it has dust, it has a little bit of everything. Hey guys, sorry for the interruption. I wanted to ask you for a small favor. If you are enjoying my videos, can you hit that like button? It helps me a lot with the YouTube algorithm and it helps me grow this channel. Also, if you're new here to the channel, welcome to the channel. If you like the content I'm producing, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to activate that notification bell so that way you don't miss any of my new videos. And now back to the video. Next, we're gonna move on with our dark gray parts. We're gonna go ahead and spray paint them with the flat gray. This is the same color that we used for the white to make the white a little bit dirty, except this time we're just gonna go ahead and spray paint all the dark gray parts, all right? Next, we're gonna go ahead and add a flat black on top of the gray. Again, the main concept here is just to add a little bit, just to make it look dirty, not over the top, okay? Alright, so now we're gonna move on with the color parts. Now, I don't have yellow, blue, or red. Since I don't have those colors, what I wanna do is I wanna apply the flat gray. And again, the main concept here is to make it look like it's been in battle, that it's dirty. So let's go ahead and apply this and see how that looks. Okay, here we go. Alright, so next we're gonna add a wash all over our pieces. We're gonna be using this shade non-oil. And what this is gonna do is gonna create some depth on the figure. Plus, it also makes it look like it's been out there, which is the main goal. So this is pretty easy to apply. So we're gonna go ahead and apply this to pretty much all the group colors, okay? and now we're moving on with our premium metallic paint. The main goal with this next step is to add some highlights of damage to the robot, and not only damage, but to show that the paint is wearing out and is revealing the metallic nature of this robot. All right, and the final step, I like what I have here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna seal our paint. And for that, we're gonna be using this acrylic sealer matte finish. All right guys, and here's the final result. Alright guys, and now the moment of truth. After spending a few hours customizing my Gundam, I think it's gonna turn out fine, but there's only one way to find out, so we're gonna go ahead and put it together, so wish me luck. Alright guys, so we are done putting together our Gundam, and here is the moment of truth. On 3, 2, 1. Wow, it actually turned out better than what I thought it was gonna look like. Not bad for my second time trying to customize a figure. I personally think maybe I went a little bit over the top with the dirty look or the damaged battle look, but I actually kind of like it. Maybe next time if I was to do a little bit different, I will take it down a little bit, just a notch on the battle damage look. The other thing that I'll probably do different is I will probably, it'll take more to paint and customize, but I will probably take each of the parts from the groups and paint them individually as opposed to painting them all together. I was trying to do a shortcut so that way I didn't have to spend so much time painting the figure, but if you really want to do it really good, I think that's going to be the best way. If not, you're going to get these little plasticky and dark spots right here where the paint accumulated. But overall, I'm very proud. Not bad for my second figure. The other thing, as far as the figure, I really like it. It looks amazing. I like the articulation. It's a fully articulated figure, which I really like. So not bad for $12.99. Just spend a little bit of time and you can actually customize this figure to your preference. So overall, let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think of this figure? Do you like it? Obviously, like I mentioned before, there's room for improvement. I forgot to mention, I didn't know that the yellow little part right there was the eye, so I kind of spray painted a little bit too much of the gray. And also the back here, I don't know what these are, antennas. I didn't paint the other side so you can see the actual plastic color. So other than that, let me know in the comments what you guys think. As always, if you did like this video, if you can do me a favor, if you can hit that like button. And if you're new here to the channel, welcome to the channel. If you like the content I'm making, you're welcome to subscribe. And don't forget to activate that notification bell so that way you don't miss any of my new videos. Other than that guys, I will see you next time and thank you for watching. Bye.